petitioner submitted his nomination papers for the post of Sarpanch within the stipulated time, and it is stated that his nomination papers were scrutinized on 2022 with no defect being found therein. Stop. He was declared the contesting candidate on 21/10/2022 along with respondents number 7 to 13. Stop. Polling was stated to be held on 2/11/2022 with there being 8 wards in their entire village Kar Sindhu. Stop. Total votes are stated to be 1064. However, only one polling booth number 58 was in place. Stop. It is submitted that during the course of voting, petitioner's agent identified 2 or 3 fake voters and reported the same to the returning officer, who also called concerned sub-divisional magistrate at the spot, and one such fake voter was handed over to the police. Stop. It is submitted that petitioner requested that election result be not declared and sought re-polling along with legal action to be taken against the fake voters. Stop. It is stated that fake voter who was apprehended is a near relative of the ex-Sarpanch, respondent number 14, who wields considerable influence over police officials. Stop. Respondent number 14 is stated to be facing many criminal cases of embezzlement, and he wanted the petitioner to be defeated and person of his choice to be declared elected in order to save his skin from inquiries and government recoveries. Stop. It is further stated that result at village Kar Sindhu was not declared. Stop. Ballot boxes were taken to Safedan. However, petitioner allegedly came to know at a later stage that the concerned deputy superintendent of police facilitated the release of the fake voters from police custody, and no case was registered in this regard. Stop. It is stated that petitioner was declared defeated by 1 vote on 2/11/2022 in the absence of applicant without holding any inquiry in the complaint. Allegations levelled by the petitioner regarding fake voters. Stop. Copy of the alleged declared result was not supplied to the petitioner. Stop. Learned counsel for the petitioner strenuously urged that present is a case where respondent number 8 has been declared to be the winning candidate only with the margin of 1 vote, and the fake voter in this case was apprehended at the spot and handed over to the authorities, but for reasons best known to the concerned officers, he was allowed to go scot-free without any action being taken stop. It is asserted that video was also prepared on the spot